What's a drum roll? We should start it with a drum roll so that people know. I'm still thinking about audio cues, John. I spent all night thinking about audio cues for all the little bits and pieces. Let's have a look. Mitsubishi Triton MV, next generation. This one's growing on me, John. I know last week we were talking a bit of shit about the Mitsubishi Triton next gen. This one's got like some nice, lovely black flares. It's got this pearl white paint on it. Right, this is the GSR. I don't even know what GSR stands for. Government sales rebate. That's the running contender at the moment. Get your GSR. You know what? More GSRs for everybody, I reckon. More GSRs for more people. So, what is this one? What is this one even getting? Bonnet's open. That means it's getting a roller shutter. It's getting an electric roller shutter. Look at that. I'm very, very perceptive. So, what have we got over here? A electric roller shutter being assembled. Come around, John. You know it's electric because it's got all these cables, yeah? Cables mean electricity. All right? This is it. I did 15 minutes in an electrician course. That's the first thing that they teach you. They teach you that cables mean electricity. Oh, this is an interesting one. Have a look at this one, John. Have a look here. Have a look. This is the new GWM Canon Hybrid. I'm going to show you this interesting part of this tailgate. Boom. All right. This is you can notice it's a split tailgate. Right? Wow, look at that. Crisp review. This button, that open. What is that? Well, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, man. Nice. I don't know how much actually convenience it gives you over a regular tailgate, but that is one hell of a party trick, I reckon. How do you open it normally? You just pull it? How do you open the... Oh, and then you can press and hold the button. Wow. Colour me impressed, boys and girls. GWM, oath. That's all right. That's not too bad. All things considered, hectic. This one's getting a manual roller shutter on there. If you've got a GWM Canon Hybrid, right, this Ute is so fresh, I don't even know what's going on with it. Right, if you've got a GWM Canon Hybrid, let it be known that we've got the manual roller shutter for it already. We've got the electric roller shutter for it already. Let me spruik it. $1,400 supplied. Come around. Let's talk more about this one today. It's not a bad looking Ute, man. Look, that's a lovely pearl white that they've got on there. Don't get too alarmed. The Chinese, if they continue to make quality products like this, bro, they're all right by me. Look at this key. Right? Nah, I did not steal that off an air hockey table. That is a key for this Ute. Or if you're feeling very, very ill because of all this hybrid electromagnetism that's affecting your brainwaves, you might be able to even swallow this. This has got a healing properties. A pill this size. That was a joke. Where are we at? So yeah, this one's getting a manual roller shutter fitted on it. It's going to come up real nice as it always does. Beautiful. So it's going to be nice to see how that one turns out. Once again, GWM Canon. We've got the manual roller shutter. We've got the electric roller shutter. Pretty soon we're going to have the steel canopy available for it as well, so keep that on the lookout for that. That's, for the most part, rounding out the jobs for the morning. We've got a whole bunch of bits and pieces obviously happening, as always, when it comes to... Come around, John, with your government sales rebate Triton. What you do is you get a factory spoiler sailplane like this. This is actually not how it's... If your Utes come with it disassembled like that, take it back. You need a refund. You need more of a rebate. All right, it's supposed to be assembled. So we've had to take this one off, of course, for us to be able to fit our electric roller shutter. But for those customers that want to keep their sailplane, we do have a sailplane compatible one due in a handful of months' time. So it's all been tested, all ready to go. We're just going to try and push it into production. Right, come around over the back over here. We've got, what do we got? We've got more... There's no need to go all the way back there, John. Look, have a look back there. You know, the fiberglass canopies are still continuing strong. You know what I mean? Look at that. All of them lined up. This and that, everyday controlled chaos at Oz Canopies and 4x4. It's been so goddamn busy, we haven't even had a chance to empty that container. Show them the container. Right? This is where all your goods are coming from, brother. This is all over. Right? This gives you a look into the globalization, how things work, competitive advantage. If people want a quick economics lesson, I'll give them a quick economics lesson, right? I've got a finance degree from UNSW. I may seem like an idiot, right? But I'm an idiot with a degree. A bachelor's, if you will, right? What do we got? Don't worry about this guy. Don't worry about him. They try and keep me down like I care. All right, right? Economics, concept of competitive advantage. Some countries are better at other things than other countries, right? Some people are better at other things than other people. I'm better at being handsome than most other people, you see? That's my competitive advantage. Now, manufacturing in the past handful of decades has been dominated by China, right? Because they are better at manufacturing quality goods at a lower price. Hence why they have focused on manufacturing. That is their competitive advantage. In Australia, we're a service-based economy, right? We're a knowledge-based economy, right? Well, I don't know if you can say that about most Australians, including myself, but our service-based economy, our education, one of our main exports is actually education. Why? Because we have a competitive advantage in our tertiary institutions. So then what ends up happening is Chinese people come here to be educated and they get the quality education from the competitive advantage that we have in education, and then we import quality and well-priced goods from China. And that is how globalization works. John, you're gonna get run over, bro. Right, I already got one guy off I can't have another one into that as well. So anyway, that is competitive advantage in a nutshell. So that's your quick economics lesson for the morning. Reels coming soon, shorts coming soon, vlogs coming soon, hard and fast. Chris signing off for this morning. Enough yelling. That's too much yelling before 9:20, man. That's too much yelling. Peace. Will be touching base when the utes are complete, as per normal. Bye. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, the big reveal. GWM Canon Alpha Hybrid. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So, roller shutter fitted. We've also got a pair of heavy duty ladder racks fitted. I don't even know where to stand, John. All right, heavy duty ladder racks fitted up to 100 kilograms carrying capacity. Have a look at it. Have a look at this now. Look at that. Oh my God, the Utes' glory has been increased dramatically. Let's have another look. Man, I haven't gone over to this tailgate yet. Hit that button right there, split tailgate, load whatever you have to. The Utes Canopies and 4x4 roller shutter. I think it's just actually the perfect accessory for this Ute. Look at that. Boom, throw stuff in. No need to roll that bad boy back. All right, that level of convenience. I don't know if you can get it anywhere else, man. Oh, I screwed it up. You got to close the left one first, the right one first, before you close the left one. All right, let's do that. And then still, to operate the roller shutter, what you got to do is just sort of pull back first, press the unlock button, Rolls all the way back like so. All right. You can sort of latch it up multiple positions. Stop it halfway like so. Look at that. Look at that. So, GWM Canon Alpha Hybrid model. We have the roller shutter available. So anyone that's looking for a roller shutter for their GWM Canon Hybrid, or if you know anyone that's struggling to get parts for it, you know where to go. Oz Canopies and 4x4, ozcanopies.com.au. And then what else do we got? We've also got the steel canopy that's going to be due for this ute quite shortly as well. Now, while we're at it, John, we'll come around. We'll sort of start talking about the afternoon job. We've got this LDV. This LDV black is going to get a black steel canopy, another steel canopy. Unbelievable. I mean, it's just ridiculous. I'm starting to sound like an auctioneer. The amount of times that I say unbelievable, right? So steel canopy going to be fitted on this one. I believe we're going to get a tailgate central locking kit as well. So it's going to be full kit and caboodle. 300 kilograms loading capacity for our steel canopy. 1,999 supplied. You heard that right. 1,999 supplied for the steel canopy, plus $590 to fit on a bare tub. And then we're going to have a tailgate central locking on this LDV as well. I don't know if you guys are aware, but this generation of LDV didn't come with any kind of lock on the tailgate. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little actuator in the back, in the tailgate itself. We're going to wire it up to the rest of the car so the customer can lock and unlock their tailgate with the car key. So that basically wraps up the midday update. So moving on to the afternoon jobs now. And then I don't know if we've sort of moved over here, signing off. I don't know what to do. You know what I mean? Peace. Good morning. It's not even the morning, it's the afternoon. I've lost it. I've lost it. Mainly I've lost it because I'm selling these goddamn tow bars for basically next to nothing. Mercedes Xclass. If you've still got one of these bad boys kicking about, we can do a tow bar for you. This one we did $900 fitted. $900 fitted for an Australian-made BTA Towbar lifetime warranty. That includes also the electrics fitted. Right, boom, come around, John, show the people. Right, we're not here to around. We do the job in full. Some people sell the electrics separately. That's ridiculous. Could you imagine getting a tow bar and them not fitting the electrics? That's ridiculous. All right. Anyway, so what have we got over here? A bunch of background noise. But more importantly, the tow bar's fitted. It looks great. 3.5 ton towing capacity on these tow bars. The BTA tow bars come also with the anti-rattle hitch pin, so no one can steal your tongue and balls. If anyone steals your tongue and balls, you're going to have bigger dramas than not having a tow bar on your Xclass. 900 fitted. ozcanopies.com.au. Chris signing off for another job here, and we'll see how the other stuff is going to be going shortly as well. Peace. Honestly, John, we've done so many of these Nissan Navara roller shutters the past couple of days. I don't even know where they start, where they end. Another Nissan Navara with the Oz Canopies and 4x4 roller shutter fitted. This one, have a look here. Boom. We're going to go through. I'm going to show you the multiple locking positions once again. Right. 1, 2, 3. You can see over here the remnants of the water test that we've done. Once again, Oz Canopies and 4x4 continues to be the only company that is here to actually get the best product, the best quality product fitted for you. And we stand by what we say, right? If you're going to sit here and you're going to be a company, a four-wheel drive accessories company, and tell your customers that, hey, your stuff is weather resistant, right? How about you throw some weather on it? All right? And that's what we've done here. We've gone ahead and we've got our water. We've gone and we tested all the closers and the hinges and all the bits and pieces and the rollers and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. and we don't let any of these roller shutters go until they've been water tested, right? So it's a big concern of the people, so it's a big concern of our customers, so it's a big concern for us, right? What we want to do is we want to make sure that we are fitting any kind of product, not just a roller shutter. We want to be fitting the canopies, we want to be fitting any other bits and pieces, any cover, any lid, and we want to make sure that it's as watertight as possible. So this is the Nissan Navara roller. Once again, to operate, what you do is you just pull first, press the button. Once you press the button, it'll go into its unlock mode. You can roll it all the way back. If you didn't want it to go all the way, there's a knob underneath that acts as its controller. I can engage it, stops halfway, and then I can close it like so. So, lovely done. Another Nissan Navara roller shutter, all complete, ready to go back into the owner's hands. Oz Canopies and 4x4. Chris, that's us.